Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the barbecue test pit. I'm Craig, and today we are going to discuss going over pulled ham. So I got a ham bone shank in. You don't want spiral slice. You want the shank. You want that collagen and everything in that bone. You could do boneless if you want, but just avoid the spiral slice. It's not going to work. This is going to be a super easy, hopefully 10 to 12 hour cook. We're going to do it overnight on the Yoder YS640 pellet grill with some cherry pellets from BBQr's Delight, and take this to a tailgate tomorrow on some sliders. So this is about 8.5 pound bone-in shank, and we're just gonna lightly rub it, not too heavy. Now my hands are wet from this. All right, so just cut this open.
It's a whole new world out there, you know. Check it out sometime.
Towels.
Have some of that ham.
So you want this thing to be bone dry. You don't want any moisture on this thing. You can cover it in mustard, maple syrup, anything you want. I got my buddy's honey, and I infused it with some Reapers, Scorpion, and Habanero, and a lot of hot peppers. So I'm just gonna coat this in honey. That's my binder. And then just lightly sprinkle a rub on here, and I'll post the rub ingredients in the description. This is just some brown sugar, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt. Super simple, but we are going to build on this. Once this hits about 140 degrees, we are going to do a glaze. I like a candy coat it, and we'll be glazing that for about 2 hours afterwards. This stuff doesn't come through these little holes. I got a cornstarch shaker. Couldn't find any bigger holes. Just sprinkle this on real light. You don't have to pack this on. You don't want to pack it on. Want a real light coat. Get it all over. Add it on there. All right, we're back. We got our ham. Been sitting about 45 minutes to an hour. Yoder heated up to 250. Let's get this thing on. All right, so I went ahead and I put my Yoder, I don't know, extender thing in. I took the other two top shelves out so that we could still keep this elevated off the heat diffuser, but still have plenty of room for lid clearance. So we're just gonna throw that in there. I'm going to stick in my Thermopen RFX wireless meat probe, which I have already set to 140 degrees to go off, because that is when we want to start glazing this thing. So we'll be back when this hits 140 degrees. All right, so we're back. It's been about 12.5 hours, and my pork is around 157 degrees, or my ham. And it is looking really good, nice and dark from the cherry pellets. And I made this glaze right here. It's a pineapple habanero with some cherry barbecue sauce I made glaze, and we are just gonna take this and baste the meat real gently. We're just gonna stick this on here. Get some foil going. You just want to gently glaze this. So we're gonna do this. Just gonna put a nice glaze coat on it. We're gonna do this every 30 minutes until this is ready to pull, for at least 2 hours. So come back in 30 minutes and see what it looks like. I could glaze and shit all over them the first time, but I did end up coming over here and throwing my ham in a pan just to collect the juices. Figured that's a good idea. That glaze is looking really nice and tacky. So let's put on the second coat here. All right, so I just got done probing this and it is probing really nice and tender. So I am going to pull it. It looks great. It's reading between 196 and 198, or yeah, 198 and 196. So I'm just gonna pull this and cover it real fast and let it rest for about an hour, and then we will shred this down. And I got some smoked Swiss, some horsey sauce, Wolvers, or boar's head, or whatever, horseradish sauce. And we are going to once again be using my leftover shitty ass brioche sliders for this. And this, I mean, there's going to be enough ham in here. It's not going to make a bunch all. The whole thing's not going to be going to sliders. There's going to be plenty just to eat normal and how you would. So you do what you want with it. You don't have to make sliders. I'm going somewhere. I'm going to have to actually finish this layer because I'm already late. So we'll see you when we get there. All right, sleep rested about an hour. All right, throw these in. Get these made up. Got some smoked Swiss. Just gonna throw these in there enough to melt them. I got the oven set at 300, and we'll finish pulling.
So you might see this getting before.
These down right here. Horsehead horseradish. Pump style horseradish sauce. Open it up. A little shake. Swirl it on. There you have it. Some delicious, amazing pulled ham, smoked Swiss sliders for your next game day party.